So the first thing that I thought about when I saw this little guy were the adventures of Gottfried and Felix that I read when I was a kid. So I thought it is a perfect opportunity to paint some cool dwarfs hair, really burning and firing and really cool looking on the battlefield. So without longer introduce, grab your paints, brushes, and let's start. So my goal for here is to paint a very cool fiery looking hair. That's why I started to paint his hair with Gory Red from Yedharo. I covered the whole area, and my next highlight will be Wild Rider Red. And with this color I will highlight each hair separately, leaving Gory Red only in the deepest recesses and near the skin. This is the result after I applied Wild Rider Red to all of the hair strings. So next I am applying Fyreslayers Orange to the exact same places of the hair strings, but with the reduced area. You will see that the colors are blending to each other very easily. So after you applied all of the steps, all of the highlights, you will see there is no much need of a color blend, but for this one I would prefer to take a look afterwards how much blend do I need. It is time consuming, I know. I hope you can already see that the hair starts catching fire. So I will apply this color for the rest of the strings, and I will show you the end result. So this is the in-between step. After the Troll Slayer Orange, it is starting to catch fire. I do not blend anything at this point. Right now I will add the next highlight, and this would be Fire Dragon Bright. So as in the previous steps, I will apply it to the same hair flocks as before, but with a reduced area. So as you can see already, it is taking less and less time from layer to layer because you are applying the reduced area, so it do not takes so much time. You can of course paint your dwarf hair with some standard contrast paints as you wished. But yeah, I always want to have a nice painted army if I play Warhammer. So I am taking my time in most of the cases. So I will finish this layer and I will show you the in-between step. This is my in-between step. I hope you like it. I like it very much. So still no blends. Okay, I will continue highlighting with Moon Yellow from Yedharo. Also reducing the area. This will give me the final fiery touch. On a Fyreslayer from Games Workshop, it will be even easier to do it. There are much bigger flocks than this dwarf. That's why I'm not painting it on a Fyreslayer from Games Workshop. I mean, I get more or less bored over the years. And in my opinion, the Games Workshop miniatures are more or less since the last couple of years looking pretty much the same. They are changing only the standings of the positions of the miniatures. And overall, I like new miniatures, and Games Workshop is not giving me those. So finish your yellow on the half-lux and we will see each other with the end result. So after I painted the tips with yellow, this is the result. This is looking very dope. At this point I do not want to destroy my work, so I will cover the whole area with some acrylic matte, and afterwards I will look into it if I need some more blending. So this is the end result for his hair. It is literally burning. I like this color scheme. And I hope you like this. I hope you have enjoyed this one. You can always paste your dwarf pics in the comments down below if you recreated my steps. The next part will be his skin. And if you enjoyed this one, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you the next time. Bye bye!